Are you ready to build your first Android application? In this video, we'll guide you through the exciting journey of developing your very first Android app using Android Studio, Google's official integrated development environment for mobile app development. We'll start by showing you how to download, install, and configure Android Studio, including setting up the Android Software Development Kit and emulator for testing. Then, we'll walk you through creating a simple, Hello World, application from setting up your project structure to designing your user interface with XML and writing basic Java or Kotlin code. Next, we'll explore two key concepts in Android development: activities and intents. You'll learn how activities serve as individual screens in your app and how intents help navigate between them and transfer data. With real-world examples, we'll demonstrate how to build a two-screen app using explicit intents: one screen to greet the user, and another to say goodbye. By the end, you'll understand how Android apps are structured and how to begin creating user-friendly, interactive applications. Whether you are an aspiring developer or simply curious about mobile technology, this guide will give you a strong foundation to start building your own Android apps. Let's begin.